Hi, I'm Ernest Parker with Parker&Sons Professional Floor Service and Commercial Cleaning. Today I'm going to take you a tour on the work that we're doing here at Briarcrest High School. So follow me. I want you to see we have taken all of the chairs and tables out of the classrooms, and I'm going to show you the guys at work. All right, follow me. Yeah, I want you guys to see the room after we empty it. Come on in. This room haven't been done yet. Just move all the furniture out, and I just want you to see how it looks. Once you move the furniture out, and then I'm going to show you some that we have stripped already, and I'm going to show you some that we have waxed already. So let's take a walk down the hall, and let me show you some more. Look at this lab. We have stripped it, and we got linen over here detailing. As you can see, all the wax is off the floor. You're doing a good rinse on the floor. Got to rinse the floor good. I want you guys to see stripping the wax off. Take a look. I want to introduce to y'all the on-site supervisor, Mr. David Johnson.
How you doing?
We got on-site supervisor on all our jobs. So I want you to see this room. We have stripped it. We haven't put wax on it yet. Okay. Show you some rooms that have been finished, but not finished. What I mean by that, we have 2 coats of wax on this room. We're gonna put 8 coats on this room. So I just want you to take a look at it. This is Michael Parker. He's waxing. I want y'all to take this is wax, man. He said he's the best. Mr. Parker, how many coats you gonna put on this floor?
Put 8 coats of wax, sir.
All right, thank you, sir. Here, we stripped it, but I'm not satisfied with it. And we're gonna re-strip it because it got to be right. If it's not right, it got to be redone. So that's Steve over there, and we're gonna take care of this. Ain't that right, Mr. Steve?
I guess, sir.
All right, thank you, sir.
No problem at all.
This is another room that we have stripped already. We're gonna, like I say, this is only 2 coats of wax. We're gonna put 8 coats on it, and I'm gonna come back and let you see it later, and you see the results. Okay. I want to show you guys how we strip a floor. Come on for a second. As you see, Steve, he already put his solution down and let it set for 15 minutes. Now, this already started working, so now when you start stripping it, it shouldn't be hard to come up.
That's it.
You want to take the stripper, put it on the floor, just like that. And you want to, don't want to splash it up on the furniture. You put this down and let it set for about 15 minutes, no longer probably 20, and you'll be ready to work. You might need some more, mix some more, so use all this and then you can go and fill up another bucket. That's what it is, see? This is Trey, he just started today, and we be training him, but I want to show him the correct way to do it. So, just take a look at this Trey here, so, go back on up in the bit. So by the time he get over here and get ready to script it, it's all ready. All right, this is the end of our tour for today. Here at Parker&Sons. We almost on the finishing touches of it, but I just want to take you through and let you see what type of work Parker&Sons does. You see that the guys are well trained, the on-site supervision, and also when we do your floors, we will make them shine and keep them shine. Thank you very much.